In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slide Sorter in PowerPoint 2016, whether you're refining a presentation, rearranging slides, or simply ensuring your narrative flows smoothly. Mastering this tool is a crucial skill in your PowerPoint toolkit. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is where all the action begins, so make sure you are ready with your software up and running. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation that you're working on. If you haven't already created one, you can either start fresh or open an existing file that you'd like to organize. Now that your presentation is open, your next step is to click on the View tab. You'll find it at the top of your PowerPoint window, among other options like Home, Insert, Design, and Transitions. The View tab allows us to see and access various ways to look at our slide deck. This is where the magic starts to come into play. Once you're in the View tab, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Slide Sorter. This action is straightforward and crucial because it transforms how you see your presentation. Instead of looking at individual slides, you'll now see a comprehensive overview of all the slides in your presentation. This layout is incredibly useful for editing because it gives you a bird's eye view of your entire presentation structure, and you can see how each slide connects to the next. Now, a few tips on making the most of the Slide Sorter view. In this mode, you can easily click and drag slides to rearrange their order, which is particularly helpful if you've been making adjustments or shifting content around and you're looking for a way to ensure your story flows logically and effectively. Additionally, in the Slide Sorter view, it's much easier to see if there are any redundant slides or areas where the narrative is lacking, and you can adjust accordingly. Moreover, if you need to make changes to multiple slides at once or need to delete several slides, this view simplifies the process. Just hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard, select the slides you want to change or remove, and make your adjustments. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to polish your presentations and ensure they communicate your message in the best way possible. By using the Slide Sorter in PowerPoint 2016, you'll be able to enhance your presentations both visually and structurally with ease. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.